Ever wondered how to use the Mockup beta in Adobe Illustrator 2024? Today, we're going to explore this exciting new feature and how it can revolutionize your design process. Adobe Illustrator 2024 is the latest iteration of the industry-leading vector graphics software, and it's packed with innovative features designed to boost your creativity and productivity. One such feature is the Mockup beta, a tool that allows you to visualize your designs in a real-world context before they go into production. This tool is a game changer for designers, providing a new level of depth and realism to your projects. With Mockup beta, you can easily create and manipulate 3D models, adding an extra layer of detail and refinement to your work. But what makes Mockup beta truly special is its integration within the intuitive Adobe Illustrator interface. It's designed to be accessible to users of all skill levels, from novices to seasoned professionals. By the end of this video, you'll be able to navigate and utilize this feature with ease. To start with, you need to understand the workspace in Adobe Illustrator 2024. Imagine the workspace like an artist's studio, where each tool, each panel, has its own unique function. On the left, you'll find the toolbar, home to a wide range of tools for creating and editing your designs. On the right, you'll discover panels that provide additional settings and options, enhancing your control over the design process. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the Mockup beta tool. Located in the toolbar, this tool allows you to create realistic 3D renderings of your designs with just a few clicks. Remember, knowing where everything is located is just like knowing where every brush, every color, every canvas is in your studio. It's about feeling comfortable, feeling in control. Understanding the workspace is the first step towards mastering any software. Now, let's dive into the Mockup beta tool. The Mockup beta tool is an exciting new feature that's been introduced in Adobe Illustrator 2024. It's a tool that not only simplifies the process of creating mockups, but also enhances the quality of your designs. So how do you use it? To begin, open Adobe Illustrator 2024. Navigate to the window menu, then scroll down to Extensions, and there you'll find Mockup beta. Click on it, and a new panel will appear on the right side of your workspace. Now, let's get acquainted with the basic functions and features. At the top of the panel, you'll notice three main sections: Create, Edit, and View. Create is where you'll start your mockup design process. Edit allows you to modify your mockup, and View is for previewing your design. Under the Create tab, there are options to choose the type of mockup you'd like to create. You can select from a variety of templates such as a business card, a poster, or a brochure. Once you've chosen your template, click on Create Mockup, and voila, your canvas is ready. Moving on to the Edit tab. This is where the magic happens. You can add images, change colors, and tweak the layout of your mockup. The tool offers a variety of editing features such as scale, rotate, and position. You can also adjust the opacity, brightness, and contrast of your images, giving you complete control over the appearance of your design. Finally, the View tab. This is where you can preview your design in a realistic setting. The 3D View option lets you see how your design would look in a three-dimensional space. It's a powerful feature that brings your design to life, making it easier for clients to visualize the final product. And that's just the basics. There's a lot more you can do with the Mockup beta tool. It's a versatile feature that's sure to make your design process smoother and more efficient. And that's how you get started with Mockup beta in Adobe Illustrator 2024. Now that you've got the basics down, it's time to explore some advanced features. To truly take your designs to the next level, you need to delve into the advanced features of Mockup beta in Adobe Illustrator 2024. So, let's dive right in, shall we? First off, let's talk about customization options. You see, Mockup beta isn't just about using pre-existing templates. It's about making those templates your own. You can change colors, modify shapes, and even add or remove elements from the design. It's all about giving you the freedom to create something truly unique. But that's not all. You can also customize the layout of your design. You have the freedom to rearrange elements, scale them up or down, and even rotate them. This allows you to create a design that's not just visually appealing, but also functional and well organized. Now let's move on to layer manipulation. This is where the true power of Mockup Beta lies. You can stack layers on top of each other, change their order, and even hide or reveal them. This gives you the ability to create complex designs with multiple elements. But the real magic happens when you start blending layers. You can adjust the opacity of each layer, creating a sense of depth and realism. You can also apply different blending modes, such as multiply, overlay, and screen. This allows you to create stunning visual effects like subtle gradients, realistic shadows, and dynamic highlights. Now, let's talk about one of the most powerful features of Mockup Beta, the ability to create and edit vector graphics. This means that you can create sharp, scalable designs that look great at any size. You can draw shapes, add text, and even import vector graphics from other sources. And the best part, you can edit these graphics at any time without losing any quality. But wait, there's more. Mockup Beta also comes with a robust color management system. This means that you can create, save, and apply custom color palettes to your designs. You can also use the color picker tool to sample colors from your design or from any other source. This allows you to create cohesive and harmonious color schemes with ease. And finally, let's not forget about the ability to export your designs in various formats. You can export your designs as JPEG, PNG, SVG, PDF, and more. This means that you can share your designs with others, print them out, or even use them in other digital projects. With these advanced features, you can create more complex and detailed designs. So there you have it, a deep dive into the advanced features of Mockup Beta in Adobe Illustrator 2024. With these tools at your disposal, you can create stunning designs that are not only visually appealing, but also functional and well organized. And remember, practice makes perfect. So don't be afraid to experiment and explore. Happy designing. Knowing the features is great, but how do you apply them practically? That's what we are going to explore in this scene. Let's imagine we're working on a new product design. We've got our concept, our sketches, and we're ready to start bringing our vision to life. This is where Mockup Beta comes into play. First, we'll start by importing our sketches into Adobe Illustrator 2024. The beauty of Mockup Beta is that it allows us to create a three-dimensional model of our product right within Illustrator. We can manipulate this model, rotate it, and view it from all angles. This is where our sketches start to transform into something tangible. Next, we'll add some color and texture. Remember those advanced features we discussed earlier? This is where they shine. The texture tools in Mockup Beta allow us to apply realistic textures to our model. We can add a shiny metallic finish, a soft matte texture, or anything in between. And the color picker tool gives us the freedom to choose the exact shade we want. Now, let's add some details. With Mockup Beta, we can easily add intricate details to our design. Maybe we want to add some branding or perhaps some decorative elements. Whatever it is, Mockup Beta makes it simple and intuitive. Finally, let's refine our design. This is where we finesse our model, smoothing out any rough edges and tweaking any elements that aren't quite right. The fine-tuning tools in Mockup Beta allow us to make these adjustments with precision and ease. And voila! What started as a simple sketch has now become a fully realized product design, all thanks to the power of Mockup Beta in Adobe Illustrator 2024. So what's the key takeaway here? It's that Mockup Beta is not just a tool, but a catalyst for creativity. It empowers us to turn our ideas into reality, taking us from concept to completion in a seamless and intuitive way. See, with Mockup Beta, you can turn your creative ideas into reality. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We started off by introducing Adobe Illustrator 2024 and the Mockup beta feature. This tool allows you to create and visualize design prototypes in a more efficient and intuitive manner. We then dove into understanding the workspace, exploring its layout and how to navigate it effectively. We moved on to the basics of starting with Mockup beta, covering the initial steps to get your project up and running. We then delved deeper into the advanced features of Mockup beta, exploring the vast capabilities this tool offers to elevate your design process. Finally, we discussed the practical application of Mockup beta, illustrating how this feature can be applied in real-world design scenarios to create dynamic and engaging visuals. We hope this tutorial has given you a solid foundation to start experimenting with Mockup beta and its potential. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using Mockup beta in Adobe Illustrator 2024. Happy designing!